Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make money with TikTok. It's literally TikTok is like a great traffic for me and it's changed my life. So let me show you guys how you can make money with the TikTok. Alright, if the TikTok is banned in your country, so you can go to my channel, make money with RJ. This is my channel, and you can go and look for like a Facebook. You have the Facebook, or you can just go and watch it. These videos, and I have some videos for like marketing with the Facebook. So you can go ahead and watch it that videos. But today's videos, I'm going to show you guys how you can make money with the TikTok. Okay, and so this is my some of the results. Like I make like a $10,000 with this products, and this one is like a 500, and this is all the monies I make it. And then you can see that this is all the another, I mean, I promote a lot of products, so you can see that like all the peoples, some you got money $1943 or something like that. You'll see keep going on and on. So since I started this affiliate marketing, I started with the TikTok, and still you can see that how I'm promoting the product with the TikTok. So once you click it here on my channel, you will see that like this is my um, TikTok, this link. You can see that I'm promoting Casa de Brambilla and work from home, and this is how, and register for this all these things I'm promoting right now. So this is how it's gonna work, and what the people. So you can see my results, and then I make my like a more than $20,000 in like a 6-7 month. And yeah, you can start with your anything with the uh, uh, with the, what is that called, with the clickbank. Just you go ahead and take something, anything from here. Suppose that like let me research something here, and I will show you how you can make money. So manifest, mindset manifestation or something. So manifestation candy. So you can see that like how people they are making some money. So look at this, you can literally create this things, and how they are putting their the content. So if you'll see that secret yantra and wealth and happiness, it takes 600 seconds. So once you click it here, it will take you somewhere in like that is affiliate link. So this is like a I think they are promoting some of the digi store or something. They are promoting this one. So if you buy anything, you can get money from there. So yeah, and they will ask you to buy something. So that's how the TikTok affiliate marketing is work. And these things what they are teaching here, you can literally go to the pexel.com, pexel.com, and you just type what kind of video they are using. Let me see that. Okay, so it's like a beach. So just go ahead and type it. It's the royalty free or beach. And this is free to download, guys. So please go ahead, just download it, and then put it on the TikTok, and put it something is like anything, like go to somewhere, follow someone, and put something on the written, like universe is sending you a soulmate. Want manifest your dream life, click the link in bio. Say how. So this is how they are doing. you know The universe is sending you soulmate. You'll enjoy love and everything. You want to manifest your dream? Click the link in bio and see how. All right, and once you click it, link the bio, it will take you somewhere, and they will take you, and they will say here, and once you watch end of this video, they will ask you to buy something. So this is how you gonna do that. And then, like, this is whole the affiliate marketing funnels, like a sales funnels, how you do that. you know so what are you gonna do? You're gonna drive from the traffic on TikTok, YouTube, Google Ads, you know Instagram. That's what you're gonna do, that traffic. This is called opt-in page. And opt-in page is looks like, let me show you guys so you'll have ideas. So I'm using the get response, but you can use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a little bit expensive, but it's all your choice. And then go to here and click on the landing page, and you can create the landing page, and where we can collect emails. Email is so important in this business. So you can create the landing page like that, like how I created. I just created like you'll see that, like, a work from home, earn up to 100 to 500, and this is called opt-in page. And this is the in the funnel what I'm showing to you guys. This is called opt-in page, and after that it will see the breeze page, where I'm explaining you guys how it's gonna. So suppose that jmtst gmail.com. So once you click it here, it will take you on like a breeze page. So this is the breeze page where I'm talking about um, the products. Uh, so breeze page, and after that, once you click it, it will go to the a sales page. So suppose that somebody is going to the sales page and they are not going to buy anything, then guess what, we got the email. So what we start doing, we start sending email 1 2 3 4 5, and I have all the email sequence for everyone. Those they So once you go here, and you'll see that the email marketing. So autoresponder, it will go till 60 days, every day. So that's the beauty of, and I can show you the autoresponder also is there. Like, you will see that at least 60 days I created already. Once you give your email every day, every alternate day, you'll get the email from my side. All right, so this is called all affiliate marketing. And literally you can start with the TikTok. So TikTok is very good, guys. I know. So the TikTok, or you can just literally take the stuff from here and click ban, and look at this all these things that you can promote anything, like health and fitness. Health and fitness, or I saw you guys earlier, this channel, manifestation candy, and they are putting these videos. And what just go ahead, look for that which one is good, and start making videos. If you don't want to show your face, if you want to show your face, then I have friends, one of the friend, he do affiliate marketing, Mr. Victor, and because of him I'm here. So you can literally go ahead and follow him and what he is doing. So where is the Victor? Here. So he has 200,000 follower, and what he is doing, and he has the affiliate link here or something. So this is how you're gonna promote on the TikTok. And and it's the fastest way to do that affiliate marketing. So this is all the AJ Ranch and all these people, they are doing affiliate marketing, and they will say click the link in his bio, and once you buy, they get commission. It's the free money, guys. ClickBank or ShareSell, or there's a lot of things. And how to do that, you can go to the Google and look for the affiliate things, and take the products from there, and just post it on the TikTok, and then you start making money. And that's what I do. So this is my whole business model. I explain you how I drive the traffic, and once you go there, then you'll see the chat with me. It will go to the Facebook Messenger, and Facebook Messenger I can literally talk to them one-on-one call, you know. So I just talk to them and explain them everything. What is affiliate marketing, how you can make money with that. So this is the very good, and you can create the free Facebook group where like you can give them training, you can post something every day, you can give them value, make them understand, go live and everything. Just do it, guys, you know. Affiliate marketing business, that's why I like it, because you can do that anywhere in this world. And if you don't have the TikTok, I saw you already, you can do with the Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you know. So yeah, I will suggest you go ahead, guys, just do it, you know. And if you like my videos, please hit the thumbs up, you know. And I mean, you can literally drive traffic free. And yeah, and if you guys need anything, just comment down below. I will try to answer as soon as possible, you know. And this is how the affiliate marketing works. And if you don't know how to create the landing page and everything, so I have all the already YouTube videos, okay, how to create the landing page on the get response, because ClickFunnels is $97 a month, and a lot of people, they cannot afford it. All right, so you just go ahead, and once you go there, and then you'll see that how to make a landing page with the get response on my YouTube channel. And you'll see that there is a channel where you can literally uh, so you can go ahead, you can watch how do I create the affiliate landing page, and go ahead, watch it, create the affiliate link, sorry, the landing page, and just go from there, you know. And you'll get a lot of value from here. And I spend a lot of money. So this is all the things how you can make money with the clickbank, how you can make money with the lot of things, you know. So just please like it and subscribe it, and then I'll make a lot of videos. All right, so in these videos, that's it, you know. And I will see you next one. Thank you.